So now we pulled out one of our 9320s from our heater box, which was heated up for 90 degrees Celsius over 30 minutes. So what we're going to do now with this product, we're going to replicate our large sound pads that you would see on the trunk floor. You'll see them on the rear body panels and sometimes in your skins or your doors. And we'll continue. We're going to follow the procedure we did here. We're going to use a Wisestream nozzle, right? Your 9320 product. And we're going to use the heater box, which already the product is heated, and we're going to use our gun between 12 to 18 bar pressure. Up top. Again, make sure your nozzle is flush the top cap of the cartridge. Perfect. You want to make sure you want to line it up. Right, so our pressure says between 12 to 18 bar pressure. I'm going to start at 16 to see if we have a good baseline there. Right, same thing here. You want to be about 2 inches away from the panel. Start on paper and on paper. Right, one cartridge will get you about 3 to 4 shots of the same length of the product. Right, but if you turn it, you can turn it down. This is at 12. Most of the products are different. Turn it back up. Okay. So then again, you can still gauge the thickness of the bead that you're looking for the sound pad. Okay. So this is our 9320 using our Wisestream nozzle. Again, nice clean look. There you have it.